Hi guys, I'm Ignacio, the non-expert. Today I'll be making my tuna dip, which I'll be serving with crudités and crackers. I am having guests over, so for hors d'oeuvres I'll be serving them this, as well as my olive tapenade and the tzatziki that I like to make. My tuna dip is a staple recipe that I love to make and serve as a dip or on a sandwich or even on a salad. I love making this recipe. It's very easy. Remember to look for it at Ignacio Solano Tuna Dip and recommend me to your friends. Give it a like. Thank you. Bye.